Welcome, sweet little Saffron. Welcome to Untitled Chapter. So excited about these little guys. Hi guys, and welcome to Untitled Chapter. I'm Erica. Well, today I'm just going to do some harvesting. I kind of wanted to show you guys a few of the things that I've been picking since the season's winding down for the summer crops, but I'm starting to get a little bit of the winter stuff too. So, well, I say winter stuff, maybe not really winter stuff, but yesterday we went to our local nursery, the one that has the wind down Wednesdays, and they had their veggies, winter veggies on sale for half price. So I went ahead and grabbed a few of those because I don't know, I felt bad for them. I got some, you can see, if you can see, there's all the mess. Got some chard, some broccoli and cauliflower, kale, and then cabbage. So just some different things to keep going since it's already started. I started most of those things by seed. You might know some of that already. We'll say Audrey was pulling some weeds out of here the other day. Oh, she left the bag out there, but I'll flip the camera around. You can kind of see some of her leeks. Where did I see that? There's a teeny tiny little leek coming up. Two of them, like right there, and then some over there. There are some leeks coming up too, but and then you can see teeny tiny little leeks right there. So maybe she'll have a good little crop going. And then these are the ones that were started that I got whenever I ordered the fig trees, so from Hertz. So the other thing that happened yesterday was one of them. I noticed my pineapple sage is blooming. It looks so pretty. I'll let those go to seed and then I'll harvest them. Oops. So yesterday was my birthday, and my daughter, she ordered something for me from Etsy as a gift. She thought that I would enjoy. And it's this harvest basket. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll have already seen it. But here's my harvest that I picked so far: some rutabagas, some peppers, and some oregano. I'm gonna go ahead and come over here. I should have got some scissors because I'm gonna try to harvest some of that okra. The okra's kind of winding down. You can see it back there behind me. It's still getting tall though. Let's flip the camera around again. Look at these peppers. Pretty strong collection there. Let's see if I can show you guys me picking some. I usually use scissors, but today I'm lazy and I'm not gonna go back in just yet. I'll probably go in to get them before I do the okra though. Let's see if I can find these ones that are hiding under here. Look how big they are. Before too long, these are gonna probably not be here anymore because of the frosts that will happen. Probably have about maybe 2 more weeks, maybe. I'm gonna try to harvest as much as I can, and hopefully we can push these little guys as far as we can too. Hopefully lots more grow and thrive in here. peppers are not so little over here. Nice banana peppers. We had some big candy cane peppers. I'm kind of wanting to leave them to see if they'll get wider. There's one hanging down here. The leaves, there's something bugging the leaves. But look right here. Got my purple beauty pepper. Teeny tiny also. Maybe leave that one also. But we'll get this little orange pepper here. Maybe. That little guy. This little guy. Look at him. So teeny. We're also getting a ton of cucamelons recently. Audrey loves these. She can just snack on them. Pops them in her mouth. But I want to get some and put them in a brine and see if I can quick pickle them. I think that might, or refrigerator pickle them. Okay, there were some down here. I gotta be careful. Some of these are weeds. You can see I got, I think that's more cabbage than a weed here. I'll show you how. There we go. Look under here. My goodness. Some more purple beauties. See if I can just go ahead and pull him off of here. It's difficult. You really need. I really should have brought some scissors out here. Oh my goodness. I tell you, these purple beauties and then that other one, now I can't remember what it was called, but oh my goodness, these things, lavender, what is that other one was called? This one's still a little small. I might wait on him to pull him. They were kind of late maturing, but this is the pimento. Look how big those are. Can't wait to pickle those. Well, I'm going to finish up picking these peppers, and then maybe I can show you what I got whenever I'm done. I was just kind of looking around at the cucamelons and everything, and I noticed I have a snowball cauliflower coming up right there. So happy. Look at this. Hello, nice to meet you. Okay, and then see if I can find them again. Oh yeah, right here, right in front of me. Saffron. Doesn't look like there's any more of them. Oh, there's one right there. There should be another one over here, but may need to give it a little more time. So I'm gonna do a video, or well, I'm kind of comprising a video of me, like an unexperienced gardener, setting up and doing this little green stalk here. But I first noticed the saffron growing in it. So I'm testing it out. Excuse the mess, but you can see it right there. Yay! So I've got some nice little things that I grew from seed there. And this peppercress, I don't know. It's already going to seed or blooming, so we'll see what we can do with that. But that's what's going on there. So one thing that's happening in this garden that, you know, a lot of the gardening Facebook pages, they say, what's the one thing that you're gonna plant again next year? And I don't think that I have just one thing that I'm gonna plant, you know, that I'm like, oh, I'm definitely gonna plant that next year. But one thing that I will absolutely, without a doubt, try to plant next year, again, cucamelons. I know I always talk about how this is my favorite spot, but it is. It's absolutely my most favorite spot. And as you can see in some of the clips that I'm putting on there, that I put on there, the bees obviously love it too. So they're having a good time with those sweet little blooms. Remember I told you guys in the last episode, they're so cute. I love them. And you can just, like, you know, reach up in here when you find one. Okay, we'll do this one. It's small, but when the stomach wants one, so good. It's a nice little fall treat. So, or kind of makes you feel like it's summertime again. Sorry, I'm talking with my mouth open. Okay. Okay, I think it's time for a bean update. Oh yeah, look at these. I'm pretty excited about these, using them for various things. But, okay, look at these dragon tongue beans. Yay! They're starting to produce, so we'll just have, like, you know, a couple for some snacks or something. And then my daughter's pinto beans that she planted for a school project. She just needed to have them do a couple of things. You know, she just needed to have them sprout, but they're producing some beans, so she's pretty excited about that.